How are you now?
I'm good, sir. I am D250457, 39 of age, single mom, and I have two kids, 19 years old and 15 years old. My education background is college undergraduate HRM.
Okay.
Working experience for 6 years in Saudi Arabia. There are five family members. They have elderly 85 years old, and the kids and two kids for 4 years old and 7 years old.
Okay, your household, ma'am, ngiti lang. Your household duties in Riyadh?
My house duty in Riyadh, I'm washing the clothes, ironing, cleaning, and also cooking, sir.
Okay, do you know how to cook Chinese food?
I know how to cook Chinese food like steamed fish and chicken.
Are you willing to learn more?
I will be willing to learn more, sir.
What is your reason to work in Hong Kong?
Because of my family and high salaries.
Okay. Do you know how to teach the children?
I know how to teach the children basic math and English.
Okay. Do you have any nursery rhyme?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Father finger, where are you? Here I am, how will you do? Mother finger, where are you? Here I am, how will you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how will you do?
Okay. What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will inform immediately my employer and check the temperature, sir.
Okay. How do you handle a situation where the children in your care are fighting?
I will stop immediately and tell them calm down.
Okay. In taking care of member of the house, which one you like the most?
Elderly and taking care of kids.
Why?
I will easy to handle them because of my experience.
Okay. If somebody wants to enter in your employer's house, what will you do?
I will inform my employer immediately.
Okay. Which part of your employer's house should be kept clean at all times?
Kitchen and toilet to prevent bad odor check.
Okay. If you accidentally damage something in your employer's house,
I will tell it to my employer and apologize.
okay. What will you do if your employer give instructions that you don't understand?
I will politely ask to them to clarification.
Are you afraid of dogs?
No.
Do you have any special skills?
Basic baking and sewing.
Okay. Are you willing to attend training or workshops to improve your skills?
Yes, sir.
Message for your future employer.
My future employer, I do my best and work hard.
Love their family as your own.
Yes.
Follow all of the rules and regulations.
Yes. Bye. See you soon. Thank you.